Why will a guy avoid a woman that he likes? Is he stupid? No, of course not. I am a guy and I will tell you exactly what's going on in his mind. Why will this guy avoid you? Why will he flee from you? Just because he's scared, just because he has a lot of emotions. But I will explain to you how can a guy be attracted to a woman, but in the meantime, avoid her. I know sometimes it's very insane for you to understand what's going on in his mind because it's very difficult to find someone you like. Same thing for a guy, to be honest. To find a deep connection is not always easy. To find someone that we can feel ourselves, we can feel a deep, connection, we can feel that we are meant to be together, it's very, very, very difficult or challenging, I should say. So in this video, I want to talk to you about this guy's emotion. So the first thing I want to tell you, why will a guy avoid a woman that he likes? It's because there is the fear of being rejected. And this one, it's a strong, strong one. Even if you smile at him, even if you wave at him, even if you go talk to him, he will ask himself, wow, she's too good for me. She cannot be interested in me. Even if you tell him, I like you, he will feel that you like him as a friend. So the real thing is when a guy likes a woman, he can be really impressed by her. So he will try to avoid, he will be freezing out, meaning he won't be able to talk, to communicate, to share his emotions, just because he would feel that she's too good for him. That would be reason number one. Reason number two, a guy will reject a woman sometime when he's scared to suffer. I've been with a woman like you and she dumped me. I've been with a woman like you and she cheated on me. I've been with a woman in the past that really hurts me. So no, I don't trust love. I don't want to be in love. I don't want to be in a relationship. I only go in a relationship where I don't feel very in love. When there is no risk. I'm not saying that this is a good decision. I'm not saying that it's a good behavior. I'm just explaining to you how will a guy avoid going even if he likes a woman. Basically, what will make a guy avoid you if he likes you? Okay? So number one is he has the fear of rejection. Number two, he's scared to be hurt. Number three, it's not the right timing with him. How many times we have seen this situation? You met him and we can't explain the connection. It's incredible. You are meant to be talking to each other. Sometimes you are even meant to be together, but it just got divorced. Just get out of a relationship. He wants to travel. He's living with his parents, whatever. It's not the right timing for him. So when it's like this, a guy, and it's not something that is easy to understand, but put yourself in his shoes. Since he was 1 year old, everyone told him, you're a man. You need to be strong. You need to control your emotions. You need to provide for a woman. So let's say that this guy is 40 years old, got out of a relationship, living with a roommate, with his parents, with whoever. He cannot feel like a man. So even if you tell him, it's okay, I don't care, he will tell you, no, it's not the right timing. So that is the reason why a guy would avoid a woman. He would become distant when there is no real reason to be distant. Situation number 4. That is based on values. When a woman does not represent what he wants. What does it mean exactly? For example, I've coached an amazing woman. Her name is Suzanne. She's from Canada. She was in a relationship for a couple of months with a guy. They really hit it off. They really liked each other. The problem is she loves to party. He's someone quite, I would say, more calm. He's calmer. Doesn't want to go party every weekend. So he told her, look, I love you. We have spent so many great times together. But every weekend you want to party and it's not the life I want. I want to build a family in the future and I can find myself with you. So he was in love, He was a really good guy, but unfortunately, their lifestyle didn't really match. So if you're experiencing this kind of situation right now, where you know that this guy loves you, but he's rejecting you, it could be because of both of your lifestyle. Sometimes it's also the opposite. You're ready to be in a relationship, just want to go out and drink, he wants to have fun. Doesn't mean that he wants to have a lot of girls, but just that he's not at the stage of committing to a relationship. So this will be reason number 4. Reason number 5, that a guy, and this one is more common than you think. The reason why a guy won't commit or won't be with you and will reject a girl that he likes, it's when he's not 100% over his ex. If he still has feelings for her, if they are still in touch, if they are not divorced yet, if they still have to be in touch and in contact, or if they still meet and see each other. Men, most of the time, if they don't come to you, it's because their mind is not clear. They are still thinking about their ex, they are still engaging with their ex, so they are not able to really commit to you. They are not really able to create something different and amazing. So I want you to know one thing, ladies. When you see that a guy is still talking to his ex, don't focus on him right now, because most of the time they are very unstable. Don't focus on being in a relationship. You can meet him, but let him chase you. You can have fun, but let him chase you. You can just have dates, but no sex. If you give him the sex at this specific moment, he will only consider you as sex friend or booty call. That's not what we want, okay? Situation number 6. It's when a guy will not feel the emotional connection. Yes, the physical connection is incredible, but if he doesn't feel the connection, the emotional connection, there is a moment where he will tell himself that he is not really in love with you. Emotional connection, it's when you share common interest, when you have the same goals in life, when you have the same values, when you can talk about things that you love. Because sometimes, even as a coach, I will listen to your story and I will ask you, okay, what did you do together that you both love? Watching TVs, Netflix? That doesn't help creating moments. That doesn't help creating memories. And so, yes, there is a physical connection that is incredible, but it's not enough. We need the emotional connection to project ourselves in the future, to make sure that we feel that we can build something together. And so if you tell me, Alex, look, I understand exactly why now this guy has been rejecting me. I want to learn more about this. I want to understand his psychology. I want to understand his emotional triggers. Ladies, I want you to click in the description and book a private coaching. I can do so much with my videos, but talking to you, being just the two of us, we can go deeper into details. I know you're scared to commit to a coaching, but in just one session, I can change your love life. In one session, I can give you the tools to connect and to create an amazing relationship. So click in the description and go grab your private coaching. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel because I'm doing all my videos for you. My only goal is to show you that we can get the results we want. Okay, ladies? I will see you very soon for a new video. Take care of yourself.